Priyanka Chahar Chaudhary revealed her breakup with Ankit on national television, and it has shocked many of her fans. And the saddest part, there's an allegation of cheating, where some claim Priyanka cheated on Ankit, while others say Ankit was never in love with Priyanka and it was only Priyanka who was obsessed with Ankit. Now they have unfollowed each other and often ignore each other at parties and functions. So how did the television's most loved couple turn into enemies? Did Priyanka really cheat on Ankit, or is there a darker story behind this? Let's find out. Priyanka walked into Bigg Boss to promote her show, Nagin 7, and as usual, Salman Khan with his signature slay style asked her if she's still with Ankit.
और वो किधर है नहीं है चलिए
Priyanka didn't even say a word, but the denial on her face said everything, and that expression broke millions of hearts. Priyanka and Ankit were reportedly together since 2021 when they started shooting for their series, Udariya. Their on-screen chemistry was fire, and people went gaga over them when rumors of them dating in real life surfaced online. And the biggest confirmation came when they participated in Bigg Boss season 16. They entered as a couple, and they stood together and played for each other the entire season. But here's where the big red flag was. Priyanka was emotional, ready for a future, and family-oriented. But Ankit wasn't. Though he was sweet and caring, he was terrified of commitment. Reportedly, he had been betrayed before. His partner cheated on him with one of his close friends, and ever since, he says he does not believe in marriage and doesn't want a homely, family life. He straight up said he wasn't ready. On the other hand, Priyanka gave her soul to this relationship. She was almost devoted to Ankit and hoped he would finally commit to her. So much so that, even after Bigg Boss, Ankit and Priyanka stayed together for a long time. They attended events together, did projects together, and were often papped together. And all this, while Priyanka was still waiting for that commitment, hoping that one day he would say, "Yes, I want this too." But that day never came. In April 2025, they unfollowed each other and the internet erupted. There was complete chaos in the TV industry. After the news broke, Priyanka was soon seen having fun with a close male friend. Seeing this, many said Priyanka cheated on Ankit, while others defended her, saying, "How can you cheat on someone who never committed to you?" Priyanka didn't betray anyone, she just stopped waiting. But then things got messier when Ankit brutally denied dating Priyanka.
तो जब तू बिग बॉस में गया था तभी तू अलोन था?
तब मैं अलोन था।
पक्का?
बिल्कुल
क्योंकि हम बड़े कंफ्यूज थे।
नहीं मैं
कि
बिल्कुल
तू अलोन है, साथ में क्या मतलब that story was very confusing.
नहीं
He didn't even mention Priyanka in the conversation, so it seems like Priyanka wanted commitment and Ankit feared it. In the end, Priyanka chose self-respect and Ankit chose his peace. So eventually, there are no villains here, just two people who love differently. And the lesson here is, if someone says they're not ready, don't wait for years hoping they will change. Believe them. Respect your heart. Priyanka walked away with courage. Ankit walked away with his boundaries. And sometimes, that's love too. What do you think? Was Priyanka right to move on? Or should she have waited longer?
The Nagin on Colors TV is finally revealed, and it's none other than Priyanka Chahar Chaudhary.
India's Nagin of Nagin 7, Priyanka Chahar Chaudhary.
Yes, you heard that right. Producer Ekta Kapoor revealed Priyanka as the lead of Nagin Season 7 on the stage of Bigg Boss 19. And her fans could not keep calm, as most of her fans and the Nagin series fans have been waiting for this moment for the last 2 years. That's why her comment section is filled with comments like, "She will definitely rock. I must say, perfect choice for Nagin. Can't wait Pari, because this comeback is very personal for us. We are so happy Pri. This moment we have been waiting for so long. Can't wait to see your performance." Priyanka being introduced as Nagin feels like a full circle. She was secretly selected as Nagin during the show Bigg Boss 17.
There was one girl I wanted to take, and I'm going to be calling her for Nagin 7.
Yes, producer Ekta Kapoor had come to the show, where she said, "I have got my Nagin for the next season." She didn't reveal the name then, and kept it a secret for 2 long years. But now Ekta has kept her promise and introduced Priyanka as the new Nagin for season 7. But are you guys happy with Priyanka being the main lead of the biggest supernatural series Nagin 7?